In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Microsoft Outlook on the web quickly and efficiently, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your web browser. You can use any popular browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, whatever you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head over to the address bar at the top and type in the URL to navigate to Microsoft Outlook's online portal. Now, when you arrive at the Microsoft login page, you'll need to sign in to your account. It's essential here to use the email address that's associated with your Outlook account. Go ahead and enter your Outlook email. Once you've done that, proceed by typing in your password. Remember to ensure that your login credentials are correct to avoid any access issues. After you've entered your email and password, click on the Next button. This will guide you to the next step in the login process. At this point, if you have two-step verification enabled on your account, you will need to complete that security step. This is crucial for protecting your account and confirming your identity, so make sure to follow the on-screen prompts to complete the verification process. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to personalize your Outlook web experience to suit your needs. When you arrive at the main Outlook interface, find and click on the settings gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will allow you to access a comprehensive menu to customize your Outlook settings. By selecting View All Outlook Settings, you can delve deeper into personalizing your web experience. Here, you have a wide range of options. You can adjust your theme to change the overall appearance and color scheme to something more appealing to you. Also available is the ability to tweak the layout and the reading pane, so go ahead and set these according to your preferences to make reading emails more comfortable. In addition to those visual adjustments, you can set up automatic replies when you're out of the office or unavailable. Another crucial setting you might want to explore is creating and managing your mail rules and signatures. This helps automate how your emails are handled and keeps your communication professional. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to effectively using Microsoft Outlook on the web, tailored precisely to your workflow. Enjoy the enhanced functionality and user-friendly features offered by Microsoft's powerful suite of email tools. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide empowers you to make the most out of your Outlook online experience.